Hi guys! We're about to embark on our journey to the end of Sweden's solar system. We're going to Kiruna, where the Termination Shock is. So join us on this 14-hour train ride. Let's go! Okay, so we've boarded the train and we're on our way. And we have about 1,000 kilometers to travel all the way up to Kiruna and the Termination Shock. Here's a little question for you. We're now traveling at around 130 kilometers per hour. And the question is, how fast is that in the scale of Sweden's solar system? Namely 1 to 20 million. Let me know in the comments.
As we slept, our train journeyed past Neptune and the dwarf planets Pluto, Ixion, Eris and Sedna. When we woke up, we were in the outer fringes of the solar system, greeted by a true winter wonderland. I am traveling with my friend Andreas Korn, an astronomer at Uppsala University. We both share a passion for Sweden's solar system. In addition to our visit to the Termination Shock, we're particularly eager to see the Northern Lights. Watch till the end and find out if we got to see it. Overall, we were quite pleased with the train journey and the service we received on board. Upon arrival, we immediately hopped on a bus to Abisko National Park, where we had a chance to hike in one of Sweden's most pristine natural areas. The temperature was a chilling 24 degrees below zero, around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, so we walked briskly to stay warm. Kiruna is a major hub for space-related organizations and activities, including ESA's satellite antennas, and the Esrange Space Center, which is used for balloon and rocket launches. It's also home to the Institute for Space Physics, a leading research institute for deep space exploration. This is the location of the Termination Shock. But before we visit it, let's clarify, what exactly is the Termination Shock? The Termination Shock is the boundary roughly 75 to 90 astronomical units from the Sun, where the supersonic solar wind abruptly slows to subsonic speeds as it presses against interstellar gas. This turbulent crumple zone causes solar particles to heat up and bunch together, much like what we can see in a sink with a tap running. Our direct knowledge of this frontier comes from the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft, which successfully crossed the boundary into deep space in 2004 and 2007. Unfortunately, at the time of our visit, the sculpture of the Termination Shock was completely covered by a thick layer of ice and snow, so we couldn't actually see it. But naturally, we did check in with the guide app to get our badges and Space Cred. After this, we were invited to the Institute, where we saw all of the cool things they do there, such as monitor space debris, research the atmosphere of nearly every planet with instruments they've built in-house, and much, much more. The IRF is also a strong supporter of Sweden's solar system, for which they have our deepest respect.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video where we went all the way to Kiruna to have a look at the outermost outpost in Sweden's solar system, the Termination Shock. And we also got to visit this place, which is the Institute for Space Physics. Very interesting and very welcoming. See you later.